bet you're wondering why I'm actually holding this genie lamp, huh? Just like everybody else, they kind of think that you can just take some money and put it inside, and then you're gonna wish that money comes out, right? And then eventually they try to put more money in and they wish that this happens, right? Now, what they wish is you put in a little change to make bigger dollars. Sounds good, right? But that's not exactly how it works. I'm gonna teach you exactly how it works. We're not gonna actually wish 3 wishes. We actually gonna teach you step by step on how to do what you're supposed to do, how to invest, how to be successful, and also being able to help others along the way to go on that great path. Does that sound good to you? We can start off by, I kid you not, let's go with change. We can start off with a quarter. I'm gonna teach you how to invest this quarter. Is that all what you got? Let's say, for example, you just got this penny. I'm gonna show you how to invest this 1 penny to be able to make 3 pennies, all right? Now, all the hype and everything, everybody's trying to tell you how to put a quarter in or a dollar in and you're gonna get $50. Sounds good, but in real life, that's not gonna happen, all right? Let's be quite frank. What's gonna really happen is you put in money and you can grow in dividends, all right? That 1 penny gonna get you 2 to 3 pennies. You take those 3 pennies and reinvest it, and that's gonna get you 10 pennies. Or if you take that dollar, you go ahead and invest it in many of things to invest in, which I teach in the course, but you can invest it and also you gain more dividends and you have multiple dividends everywhere. Guess what? Your crop is gonna grow as how you'll like it. So again, until you actually want to take action, want to move forward, you want to dig down deep, get ready, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Thank you very much for tuning in with me. I'm Michael Newsom with Need Apple Wealth, and stay tuned for the next episode.